Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this real quick and dirty disposable face mask. The thing about face mask with this epidemic is that it's not going to protect you from a virus or from the virus, but what it is it's allowing you to be socially responsible and not having you spread your own. Okay, it looks like we have a shortage of face masks out there because of this pandemic that we're going through. And I'm going to show you how to make a disposable face mask out of household items here. First I have 4 rubber bands, and these rubber bands happen to be about 3 inches long, unstretched, by 1/16 of an inch wide, so you want to look for something like that. And then stapler, aluminum foil, tissue or toilet paper. Now you have a reason to use the toilet paper that you all have been hoarding and panic buying, and then tissue paper, or excuse me, paper towel or kitchen paper. And hopefully you want to get the kind that tears off into these nice convenient 11 by 5.5 wide pieces here. Okay, first off, face masks, if they are not of the N95 type, are not designed or should be used thinking that it's going to protect you from this virus. Actually, what face masks do is keep you from spreading your own germs. You know, if there's dust in the air or sawdust or something, it also has a barrier between that. So again, this type of face mask is not going to prevent you from contracting this virus or any other sort of microbes or something like that. You want to try to look for an N95, which obviously people have bought all out in their panic. But in this case, for this video, something is better than nothing. But again, this will not protect you against the virus. So what I want to do is I want to take 2 pieces of the kitchen paper here, and there's 2 sides to this particular type. There's an outside and inside. I want the insides up here, and then I want to take a couple of pieces of the tissue paper here, or you know, a few. You could layer it up if you really want to make this more of a filter. Then we're just going to fold this so that we can fit this inside of the kitchen paper here on one side here. Place that there like that, and then the other side here, and then fold that down like that. Okay. All right. So now we've got the tissues placed inside. So I'm just gonna place this down and sandwich them in between, just like that. Okay. Next, I want to take my rubber bands here, and I want to sandwich the rubber band, one tip of the rubber band, probably about 1/4 of an inch down, and just make a sandwich. Fold this over. Fold one edge over, like so. Okay, probably make it a little wider. There we go, to make sure we get a good grip there. So I'm folding that in, and then I'm going to take a stapler, and this side that we folded inward here is going to be towards my face. And so what we want is we want to catch the rubber band with the stapler, but we also want, okay, we'll make sure that we caught the rubber band, but we also want the 2 pieces, the ends of the staple away from my skin or from my face, so I don't cut myself. So as you can see, I've stapled in the other rubber band here at the other corner, and this rubber band at the top, and I've just stapled in the middle. So I'm going to do that on the opposite side. Okay, we've got the rubber bands attached, stapled down on the 4 corners here, and stapled in the middle. Now I want to make some pleats about 1 inch up. So I want to kind of fold the bottom part here up and then fold it back down here like so. That. Alright, I folded this up about an inch or so, and I'm going to staple it down. On both sides. Just like that. And then I'm going to fold it again one more time, about an inch or so. Just basically want to make an accordion. Like that. So we basically have something that looks like that. And then staple that down. Doing this helps make a pocket, so it is more of a better fit around your face and jawline. Okay, lastly, we're going to need some aluminum foil. Alright, I have a good, decent sized piece of aluminum foil here, and I want to fold this over. I'm going to fashion a nose piece to help mold the mask to your face. Fold this in half like so, and then I'm going to go down lengthwise, and I want to just start to make a fold, again about an inch or so wide. And I'm just going to fold this all the way down so we have a good stout piece of aluminum all the way down. Alright, so we have our piece here folded down, and now what we're going to do is we're going to figure which side we're going to make the top of our mask. Again, we want the ends of the staples on the outside. We don't want them towards our face, so the flat side should be up of the staples. And we're going to basically set this basically in the middle of our aluminum foil here, and then we're going to just fold aluminum foil over to kind of pinch it in there. Just like so. Okay. And you could staple this if you wanted to. I don't think it's necessary. Make that good and flat. Okay. Now this is what we have. All right, and we're going to go ahead and put this on. Okay, so now we have our mask put together here, and I will, again, as a reminder, I want the staple flat ends towards my face. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and take my glasses off here. It'll be a little easier if I do. Alright, so I want to take this end here, and I want to use the aluminum foil to mold around my nose and under my eyes and around my cheekbones. I want to take one rubber band and connect it to the top of my ear, and the bottom rubber band to go over there on that like so. Alright, and then I want to do that for the other side as well. So the top rubber band, the bottom rubber band, and then I want to pull this down. I'm going to be a little muffled, but I want to pull this down under my chin. And then I can start to mold this as a tighter seal so germs and things don't get out. Alright? So that's, for the most part, how you can make a kind of quick and dirty face mask out of, just regular household items. Now, watch aluminum foil and staplers start to disappear from the shelves. No, seriously, I wouldn't be surprised. But anyways, I hope this helps. This is not guaranteed to protect you from pathogens or virus or anything, but what it does is it's a little bit of being socially responsible and not spreading your own germs. So there you go.